Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hello everyone, my name is Oreeditse Nche. I'm the founder and director of Reetsi's Creations. We manufacture accessories and crafts. I started the business because of my love for accessories, so I wanted to be unique and special always, and then I wouldn't find the accessories that I actually wanted in the shop, so I would buy here and there and then come and combine them and do my own. So actually my husband suggested, why don't you do your own accessories, because you always combining this and that thing, so why don't you make it a business and start selling. That's how it came about. Then I started with everything, and then now it kept on and developing into many things that we do. And then we make fascinator hats, and then we do earrings. We make a lot of crafts also, and then our business mainly specializes in custom making. So customers come to us and request or say they want a certain thing, and then we sit down and we design accessories or crafts for them. You can get us at Reetsi Creations on Facebook and on Instagram, and then our WhatsApp number is 083-478-2691. Hello, my name is Oreeditse Nche, and I'm a township entrepreneur.